Quick intro. I will develop a tooling at Lighthouse so you can store data, keep it private, and access control them directly from your app. Today I'll show you an end-to-end flow on how you can upload data, control access, and what do we expect to see at the hackathon. Plus, I'll also show you a sample app towards the end. So first, let's talk about Lighthouse. Lighthouse is the permanent decentralized solution on Filecoin with built-in encryption and access control. You can upload your file publicly or encrypted, fetch them via CID from IPFS gateway, and you can also control them with access conditions, with on-chain access conditions like a wallet which holds a certain token or an address which is on the allow list so you can access the file. Now you can do everything from the UI or programmatically via the JS and the Python SDK. Now let's head over to the files tab and see how we can upload a file. Okay, now let's log into Lighthouse. So either you can log in via email or Google or GitHub account, or either you can choose one of the provided wallets. Let's choose MetaMask for now. I'll click confirm and I'm logged into the app. Now let's try to upload an image on the dashboard. I'll click on upload new, upload a file, and I'll choose the image. That's it. You'll be able to see the CID here and you can click and open the image. Now, if you want to upload an encrypted image, you can just turn on the encryption from here and then upload a new file again. I click on this. So it will ask me to confirm the signature. I click confirm. So what happens here is that the file is going to be encrypted first and then it will be uploaded to IPFS. The file stored is encrypted and required decryption right to access. Now, yeah, the file is uploaded. And for the programmatic use, let's head over to the API key and create an API key for now. Let's give it a name of test1. Are you sure you want to generate? Yes. So this API key isn't stored on Lighthouse, so you won't be able to recover it. So just either copy it to the clipboard or download the key. So now as the API key is ready, I'll show you how you can look into the docs. Okay. Now let's head over to the docs. Now here you have four essential tabs to look at. First one is uploading a file. So in this you have three methods to upload a file using the JS SDK or the API or the CLI. The JS SDK has two methods to upload. First one is in the Node.js or in the browser itself. Then you have a text upload using the lighthouse.uploadText. You can use it to upload any text on the Lighthouse. The next one is the lighthouse.uploadEncrypted, which is used to upload any encrypted file on the Lighthouse itself. It again has two methods. First one is a Node.js and another is the browser. And the last one are the encryption features. There are multiple encryption features that you can use in the Lighthouse itself. First one is the share file, which can be used to share any file and access to any file to a wallet address. You can also revoke the access using revoke access or set any token conditions, any token getting conditions to a file and use the check access condition to view those conditions. Okay, cool. Now we have got the basics covered. But how do we make this data worth anything? How do the contributors get paid for their data? Here's where the data coin shows up. Think of them as a ticket to the private data. So let's head over to 1mb.io and let's create a data coin. Okay, so this is the website. Click on the create data coin. Now here it will ask you to enter the information of the coin. Let's enter the information name. Let's give it pop rewards. Pop stands for proof of purchase. I'll give it a symbol of POP. Let's upload an image. This is the logo of the coin. This is the banner image. Okay. Uh, for the website, let's give it https rewards Versal.io. Let's click on next. Here you can enter the social information of the token. I'm skipping it for now. And here you can enter the token allocation information. So we can select the chain from here. Let's select base Sepolia for now, or maybe each Sepolia for now. Here you can set the vesting period. I'm keeping it to 6 months. Then you can keep the other default information as it is. And for the locking assets, you can select either of these. I'm selecting USDC and the locking amount to be $100. And I click on submit data. So now the data coin has been created successfully. If you prefer a programmatic approach, we also have a script for you to create the data coin. This is the script, and the link to this GitHub repo will be there in the description. Now that the data coin exists, here's what we want you to make for the Lighthouse bounty. Build a small project where real users can upload private data and earn something useful right away. We want you to take the user's private data, verify it, maybe using zkTLS, and then upload it on the Lighthouse. If you think that the data is sensitive and useful, encrypt it with a access condition and create the decryption with an allow list. Let me show you a sample app that we have created for you to understand the concept. So this is the pop rewards. It's a proof of purchase app for your Amazon order history. So basically, this app lets you prove your Amazon orders and gives you reward on the basis of that. So I'll start by clicking on start earning. I'll choose MetaMask, connect. So here I am logging in as a user to see the app. As soon as I'm logged in, I'll be redirected to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard, and here you can see all the proofs that the user has submitted in the past. Now, if I click on the add data, it will take me to the reclaim page. So this is a reclaim QR code that the user can scan and prove their Amazon history with the help of reclaim. So as soon as the user proves his order history, the reclaim will give us the proof on the front end, and we'll verify this proof on the back end. And after the proof has been verified, we will upload the user's data, which is relevant to us, that is the order history in this case, to the Lighthouse. And after uploading the data to the Lighthouse, we will mint some pop tokens that we have created in the last step to the user's wallet. That's it. That's the loop. So turn a dataset into a token, attach a real value to it, and let people who need it pay for the access. Congrats. Now you can earn from your hackathon project. That's it about the Lighthouse. Thank you for watching.